I have enough of you. What do you want to? What is it? Well, you get me in trouble again. What do I do? Well, you seriously tattle on me. No, 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 no! Don't beat me up. Too bad. Here I go. No, don't! Stop! 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 Oh my god, the pain! Oh, the pain is so hard. Well, that's what you get. What is going on? Uh-oh.
Watching that show, and that's
Sick, I know. I'm already working on it.
Why can't I beat the common cold? Thanks, Dad. Okay, Candace. Looks like it's up to you. Rotting germs and get out of my laboratory! You are infecting my whole lab!
I've managed to isolate the virus, but it doesn't conform to any virus ever documented. I believe it's a new strain. Have a look.
Well, I thought I'm just imagining it. Okay, well I hope you're just imagining it.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's disgusting.
my back now.
We hate that hedgehog! That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's disgusting!
How dare you, all of you guys, change it from that and my evil clone